Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic AutoCAD 2027, how to draw a line at an angle. So for example, you can draw lines with angles, like I will set length to 100 and then for angle 45 degree. Now if you want to draw in these angles, you can change the UGS, type UGS, press enter, and I will click at this endpoint. For X, we click at here, and for Y, you can click in this point. Now you can draw in this angle, like I will draw a line, like this, or you can draw rectangle. It will show at the angles with this UGS option. Now, if you want to back to the default, you can type UGS, press enter, and type W and enter again. Okay, that's it for basic AutoCAD 2027. How to draw a line at an angle.